We are focused on bringing regenerative therapies forward. We're one of the oldest stem cell and regenerative medicine companies. We were founded in 1999 and originally began in the field of cardiac indications using stem cell therapies, more specifically muscle-derived stem cells. The concept is that we could put these stem cells directly into heart tissue to help combat some of the disease that's associated with congestive heart failure, and have demonstrated over the past 17 years that these therapies can be easily integrated into the clinic, and as a result we've treated more patients for more indications than any other group in the world. US Stem Cell has several partners throughout the world. We've set up clinics in various countries, including Mexico. We've also set up groups in Australia, South Africa, and even Nigeria, so that we can offer treatments for more patients who are suffering from these degenerative diseases.